What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Crunch Time, man. I'm back again. I know, yeah, I don't put out too many videos. This is why. But hey, man, I'm back again with a video. I think you guys better stay tuned for this one. You're going to like this one right here, man. You're going to like this one. All right, man. So like I told you guys, I know you guys probably been anticipating me that I put out a video or whatnot, but I actually got a good video this time. I actually have another video that I need to upload. I've been meaning to upload it for a while, but I actually am going to upload it with this video following, or either or. It don't matter. All right, so I got some gifts, man. So I want y'all to check them out. Tell me what you think, man. It's for my 2016 Dodge Challenger. I wanted to do something a little different. One of my boys that I met on Facebook Marketplace, I bought a bumper from. I replaced my bumper, put a SRT bumper on it. And I just wanted to change up some stuff. And this right here is another mod that I'm actually going to do to the whip. So hope you guys like it. All right, guys. So these right here are actually the mods that I actually got. So I'm actually going to go ahead and unbox. I already unboxed everything, but hey, I know you guys want to see it come out of the box. That's like a grand finale or grand opening or whatever you want to call it for items and stuff like that and mods and stuff like that. So like I said, I already opened them up, but I want you guys to see me open them up again. And this right here is going to be a few things that I'm actually going to do to the car. So as for here, Mopar no car. So these right here are the SRT paddle shifters here. So I bought these here from Steve White Auto Parts. They were $109 shipped, and I actually did something spectacular to them. So I actually had them sent off to California to a guy, Custom Creative Customs, and he actually did this for your boy. That's bad, ain't it, man? Damn, that looks good. So this right here is hydro dipped, candy apple red, carbon fiber, and it's actually has 2 or 3 coats of gloss clear on it. So this right here is actually going on my steering wheel. So I'm going to replace the old smaller ones, and I'm actually going to put these right here on, man. So this one here, what am I doing? And wrap them up. This one here. So these here, and like I say, the quality is damn good, man. This lighting doesn't justify it. It has a hint of orange in it too, man. These right here are going on, man. So big shout out to Creative Customs. You know who you are. I'll put his link in the description. He does painting, interior pieces, hydro dipping. He does it all, man. This guy is actually great. Turnaround was only like a week. And it looks amazing, man. I can't complain not one bit, but these look awesome right here. So these are SRT paddle shifters. Say you need a part number. There should be a part number there. There should be a part number. All right, so that's one of the items right there. I'm so excited about these right here, man. Something different. Really haven't seen too many people do it, but I'm probably one of the few to actually do it. I actually was gonna go through, I'm not gonna say the name of the company, but I was actually gonna buy some carbon fiber paddle shifters, 100%. It was almost $250. That wasn't gonna cut it, and I could use that money towards something else. So these right here cost me $80 to hydro dip. And hey, can't complain. It's not real carbon fiber, but hey, it looks good, man. All right, off to the next. So, next mod that I'm actually doing here is voila. So, interior trim pieces. So if you get where I'm going, you know where I'm going. These right here are 100% carbon fiber skinned. pieces for 2015 through 2020 or 2021 Dodge vehicles, including SRTs, Trackhawks, and everything else. So I am actually going to switch these pieces over to my pieces off my Challenger. So let me get the third piece out. And here are the third piece here for the instruments that's actually on the steering wheel. So they more likely will sit like that. And, you know, I think that right there looks damn good. I think that looks damn good. Let's see, real carbon fiber. This isn't no fake carbon fiber. Here, this is real carbon fiber, real carbon weave, and it's actually been skinned onto a trim piece. Looks good. All right, so now the next thing that I have, which is the grand finale here. So let me get over here. Get up. It's like Christmas over here, man. Here is my new gift. Booyah. Boom. This right here is my new steering wheel. Let me zoom out. This right here is my new carbon fiber steering wheel. I had it handmade. Found a guy on Instagram from one of my good buddies. Like I said, I bought a bumper from him, and me and him chatted up from time to time. And he gave me the link because he ordered a carbon fiber steering wheel. I said, shit, I need one. Excuse my French. This right here, half the price of what some people charge. I'll tell you the price right now. I paid $609 for this steering wheel. Custom made, if you look at it, red carbon fiber thumb pieces, perforated leather, red stitching. Now, I know I ordered these pieces over here, and I know this right here is supposed to go here, but I can't put that piece on, so I will be selling it. And man, it looks good. 12 o'clock ring. And actually what they did was they actually put, if you can see it here, they put these on here for thumb and, you know, hand control. So when you got your hands up here, you can actually feel the rivets in it. And I can't complain, man. It looks good. It's nice and heavy. Nice and heavy. I'm not worried about the little nicks here. You're not gonna see that, but this is a nice steering wheel. So this is how it's gonna look. Like I say, it's not a 100% color match, but when it comes to this, it's more likely gonna look like this. And I think that looks damn good. It's not 100%, but hey, when the sun hits it, man, it's gonna look awesome, man. So these are the mods that I got for the vehicle, and I'm gonna take you guys on a journey of me actually installing this to the vehicle. So get ready. All right, you guys, so I'm back in the garage, and the first thing you gotta do whenever you're dealing with anything electrical is you always wanna disconnect the battery from the terminal. So what you wanna do is here, this is what, like a 10mm socket. I'm pretty sure 10mm socket. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and take the positive off the terminal. So here, and I am going to take it off. So I'm gonna make sure this thing doesn't connect. So what you can do, wrap that right there in some type of cloth or something, separate it from any type of metal. So that right there, boom. All right, you guys. So basically, once you disconnect the battery, what you're going to do is you're going to find something, I guess, like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick it in this hole right here to see. This is probably too big. See if you can feel around in there. You should find a metal clip. Once you find the metal clip, you're basically going to, hold on, you're going to remove the airbag. So I'm going to go ahead and get this airbag off right now and I'll get right back. Okay, so I got the steering wheel off. So once the steering wheel comes off, you're going to see a few clips and everything inside of here. So with everything that's inside of here, I advise everybody to take pictures and make sure that, you know, you pay attention to where everything goes. So I am going to actually take this off and see how everything goes. All right, give me a few and I'll show you. And actually here you need a 10mm bolt. I'm sorry, this is a 10mm bolt here. You need a 10mm hex with a Torx bit so you can actually get everything looking good and running right. All right, guys, so I finally got the bolt out. And one thing I can tell you, make sure you have a breaker bar when you're trying to remove this bolt here, because it needs, what, 35 pounds of pressure of torque or whatever. Make sure you have a breaker bar to remove it, or you have someone pulling the steering wheel to the right while you're trying to turn to the left. So what I'm going to do now, pull the steering wheel off, take these pieces of wire right here, take these out, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to swap over everything over to the new steering wheel. YouTube, and there it is, all assembled. Wasn't bad. Looks good, man. Looks damn good. There it is, all assembled. Now it's time to put it back into the vehicle. So steering wheel's on. All I got to do now is go ahead and put the airbag, which is here. Put my airbag back on. Put the two fuses at the top and connect the two wires, which is color coded, dummy proof, and snap everything back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And I can't do it with one hand, but I actually gonna go ahead and put it on for you guys. Just give me a few minutes and I will have it and I'll show you guys the end results. I'm telling you, man, this shit feels good, looks good. Feels good and it looked good in the car. And there you have it, guys. This right here is installed. steering wheel for a 2016 Dodge Challenger. The detail. It is some awesome detail. Of course, you know the name. It's not hard to do. Just a little time consuming, but first start. There it is, fellas. Looks good. So, like I said, I advise anybody, man, who wants to do something a little different when it comes to their car, man. I say this right here brings out everything good in your car with the brand new steering wheel, man. Looks good, and I can't find one thing wrong with this. I love it. It looks good. Like I said, this thing right here didn't cost me how much you see a lot of guys pay for a carbon fiber steering wheel. It took about 2 months to make. Had a guy up in Canada make it for me, and he did an awesome job. And like I said, I can't complain at all with this steering wheel. So I advise anybody who wants to get a steering wheel to reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the description of his contact information on Instagram. Also leave a link to the guy in California. Shout out to Custom Creative Designs, who actually what do you call it? He hydro dipped these. I'm sorry, he hydro dipped them. I tried to get it to match. It's not a 100% match, but hey, you can see the orange in it and the red and everything. But like I say, if you guys look in the description of this video, I will leave the link to the guy who actually did the steering wheel and the guy who did the paddle shifters. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. More coming up. I'm actually gonna start putting out a little bit videos, probably a little different than car stuff, probably a little bit of vlogging based on Army or, you know, military life and other things like that, a little gaming and stuff like that. Just try to throw different little things in there. But I actually am impressed with this steering wheel. It came in today and I installed it today, so I didn't want to waste any time. My next move is to actually get this right here, skin and carbon fiber, and this here too. And I would like to get the shifter itself skinned in carbon fiber. But like I say, anybody who actually has any type of Mopar, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, this right here is a good option to have for your car. And like I said, if you ever were to sell your car, you can actually take this off, put the original back on, and trade it in or sell it or whatever. Because if you ever go to a dealership, they're not going to give you anything for accessories that you add to a car. That is a fact. I worked at Nissan for 4 years, and I've seen people trade in cars with customized, and they got nothing for it. So I advise all you guys to do something like this, and it adds a little value to your car, you know, personal value. You don't have to add anything to, you know, sentimental value or anything like that worth going to trade it in. But as a personal value, this is worth something. And I correct myself, as a sentimental value. But it's your boy Crunch Time Man, and I'm checking out, man. Thank you guys for watching the video.